Hello and a very warm welcome to DDNA Certified Accountants. My name is Sterling Lips. I'm a chartered accountant and a fellow of the SCCA, and I am the managing accountant of DDNA Certified Accountants based in Canary Wharf, London. But you can also find us online at tdna.co.uk. Now, you might be wondering, what does TDNA actually mean? Well, TDNA stands for Think, Decide, and Act. As an accounting firm, we provide the following services: tax planning, consultancy, and accountancy. But we also provide practical work experience in accountancy training as a service, and we have helped thousands of accounting professionals to advance their accounting careers because of the experience they got from our firm. Our practical work experience has a 5-star rating and reviews from many of those who have done it, and you can check that out on Google as well. In this video, I would like to talk to you how you can boost your job prospects as an accountant in such a way that when you go out looking for work, it's not that complicated or very difficult for you to make a breakthrough or to get into job interviews or even get hired. Now, I don't want to assume anything, so I will begin by asking you 3 simple basic questions. The first question is lack of practical work experience in accounting stopping you from getting your ideal accounting job? Second question is this: how about your CV? Is it passing the test of time with employers and recruitment agencies? And the competition? How can you make sure that you stand out from the crowd when you are shortlisted to attend an interview for a job? A lot of people I have spoken to say to me that they have an accounting qualification, but are working in non-accounting related jobs and are now quite tired of it and want an accounting job. Some, on the other hand, have been out of accounting for a while and now want to get back to it, but are finding it really, really challenging to get back to accounting because they don't have work experience. A lot more tell me that they are being turned down by recruitment agencies due to lack of practical work experience in accountancy. Now, how is your situation like? Do you feel the same about your own accounting career progress? If so, TDNA Certified Accountants may be able to help you. TDNA has helped hundreds of individuals to get accounting jobs in the UK through our work experience program, and we might be able to help you too if you are looking for an accounting job and are finding it hard to break through. DDNA provides work experience in the following accounting roles and tasks: financial accountant, accounts assistant, bookkeeper, accounts payable, and accounts receivable. Our work experience training takes place both in our head office in Canary Wharf, London, and also in our office in Leeds, West Yorkshire, and online too. And here is what you will learn through the work experience. You will learn how to prepare accounts up to trial balance level. You will also learn how to do month-end and year-end accounting procedures. You will learn how to prepare and file tax returns, corporation tax and VAT returns, as well as filing of annual accounts to Companies House. Let's look at them in a bit more detail, shall we? We begin by preparing accounts up to trial balance level. Here, you will learn how to prepare accounts up to trial balance level, doing all the accounts payable and accounts receivable tasks, journal entries, and clearing of the suspense account. We will walk you through the practical steps you need to know in detail so that you completely get confidence on what needs to be done at each stage and level. On doing month-end and year-end accounting procedures, you will finally get to master how to do month-end or year-end accounting procedures, including accruals and prepayment adjustments, depreciation adjustments, debtor and creditor reconciliation, and reconciliations of other control accounts, or what is normally called the balance sheet reconciliations. You will totally become confident in doing that. The step-by-step guidance you will receive will help you once and for all to master the month-end and year-end close process like never before. You will never worry about how to do it again, ever. And on the step-by-step guidance on how to prepare and file tax returns. After this session, you will master how to confidently prepare and submit a corporation tax return to HMRC and the annual accounts to Companies House. Not only that, but you will also learn how to prepare, reconcile, and submit VAT returns to HMRC easily. It will be a breeze, absolutely seamless and easy for you to do with the step-by-step guidance you will receive. And you will also get the following bonuses as part of your work experience. You will get help and support to get an accounting job, mentorship, so to say. We will also help you avoid the common mistakes that stop many people from getting their ideal accounting jobs. After doing this for many years, you get to understand what the job market wants, what kind of things are required of candidates, and all of the things we do them during the work experience. We understand that when someone comes to TDNA for work experience, they're not coming to do another course per se. They really want a job. And all our work experience is geared towards helping a person to get a job. In terms of the mentorship, in terms of the training, in terms of all the guidance, everything is geared towards helping you get a job. And that's why also we will help you to prepare a fantastic accounting CV, a CV that will open doors for you, a CV that employers will look and say, yes, we want to call this person for an interview. That's what we will do. The work experience at TDNA is 100% practical. You'll be trained by a professional accountant. You'll use QuickBooks Online, Sage 50 or Xero, and also learn how to do some advanced Excel during your work experience. Advanced Excel functions like pivot tables, VLOOKUPs, and index match, which are very essential if you go high-end accounting jobs, but we will show you how to do those. The work experience is self-paced, so you run it according to your schedule. So we give you a booking link where you book your sessions, so when you feel like you are able to come for a session, you just book it on that link, we get notified, and you're able to come for the session. The work experience is office-based. However, there is also a virtual option for you to do, especially for many people who are not able to come to London or come to our physical office, because we train people from all over the place, including even in the US and even in Europe. And also those within the UK who cannot come to our physical offices, they just opt to do it virtually online. So we help them as well. The duration of the work experience is between 3 to 6 months. You also get help with CV preparation, and we'll give you a professional reference from our accounting firm. So, when is the start date for this work experience? You can start anytime, subject to availability. What are the joining requirements? You need to be 18 years of age and above. You should also have studied or be studying accounting or bookkeeping course. And you need to be living in the UK, especially if you want to do the physical one where you come to the office. You need to be living in the UK. If it is virtual, anywhere in the world, really, you can do it. And there is also a fee applicable to do this work experience. Now, I don't know what your situation is, but if you are looking for an accounting job and are struggling to get one due to lack of practical work experience, or are just unsure what to do next, we might be able to help you. Why not book an appointment with one of our consultants to see how we may be able to help you kickstart your accounting career? You can go to tdna.co.uk/careers and book an appointment there. Now, some of our trainees who went through this work experience were kind enough to offer us some sort of reviews and sort of testimonials for how they found the work experience. So I would like to show that to you now.
Hi, my name is Sarah and I'm a CCA student.
Hi Sarah, how did you find out about TDNA and why did you particularly choose to come and do your work experience at TDNA?
Because I found it very difficult to find a job after becoming a part qualified ACCA student, and I researched to do work experience because I needed the practical experience rather than just passing the exam.
So why TDNA?
I read good reviews about it, and when I came to visit the place, looked very welcoming, and after a couple of sessions I realised why, because it just helped me to refresh my memory about the things that I studied before, and then taught me new things that I didn't really know.
So how has it helped you since you've done your work experience?
I have found a job just before finishing my work experience with TDNA, and it helped to build my CV up.
Okay, so what sort of recommendations, if you had a friend who was looking to do this work experience for, what sort of advice would you give them going about looking for work experience, and also just generally what to look out for?
I would definitely recommend this place to anyone who's done AAT or ACC or any accounting course, because just reading the books it's not enough to help you actually do the job. And when you're here, you learn how to do things from first step, and then you build your knowledge up.
So are you happy being at TDNA?
Yes, very.
So that was Sarah, one of the trainees who did work experience at TDNA. There are lots of videos like that on our YouTube channel. You can have a look at them. Now, some just wrote their reviews on Google, and like I said, they are 5-star reviews. Someone called Shushma Gurung said, "I gained comprehensive work experience at TDNA. TDNA work experience helped me find a job as a finance assistant on a permanent basis. The entire TDNA team was welcoming, supportive, and constantly provided me with regular guidance." You see, and Hibag Issa said, "The training course provided by TDNA is an efficient course of aspiring accountants. In my current time at TDNA, I am being taught various topics and the accountant helps me understand everything thoroughly." Linda said, "The best training I've ever received in comparison to other training providers in London. I finally understood the overall picture of being an accountant rather than just the transaction side of things. I've been able to apply the strategic and reporting knowledge of what I've learned to real-life scenarios, and even got support after the training. Highly recommended and great value for money." Aisha said, "I started my work experience at TDNA Certified Accountants in August, and I enjoyed the training provided. It boosts my confidence in answering questions in interviews. The QuickBooks Online Manual Guide was very helpful and very straightforward." So some of them just wrote, some gave videos, just like this. Our next one as well gave us a video.
Hi, my name is Sharia Farouk. I'm a recent accounting and finance graduate from the University of Greenwich. Straight after finishing my degree, I was looking for practical work experience in a professional environment, as it is imperative to have this under your belt in order to enter the job market nowadays. I first came across TDNA online, then visited their offices in Canary Wharf. I was immensely impressed with what they had to offer, and from listening to all the success stories, that I immediately enrolled. TDNA has helped open doors for me, as I recently secured a position within a successful accounting company before the end of my training period. If you're looking for work experience, I would highly recommend TDNA, as I found what they do very useful.
So, let me summarize what we have been talking about so far. If lack of practical work experience in accounting or in accountancy is stopping you from getting your ideal accounting job, we can help you sort that out. 100%, I'm confident of that. We have helped countless numbers of people to do so. The work experience is 100% practical with key theoretical aspects nestled in to help you link your theory to practice and deepen your understanding of how accounting is done in practice. And you can do this work experience in our office in London, Leeds in West Yorkshire, or virtually online. You see, we know exactly how disappointing it is when you are not chosen for an accounting position you have applied for because of little or no experience in the field. After all your hard work, you finally got your qualification, ready to rock those numbers, but most firms or companies won't even give you a chance. Recruitment agencies, the same, they won't give you a chance. We know how you feel. We understand you. It is not easy. So, if you are missing out on accounting jobs because of the lack of experience, we are here to help you move that last obstacle right out of the way. Call us on the 0203 488 1208 or on mobile 079 7055 0865. You can also email us at accountants@tdna.co.uk. And if you visit our website at www.tdna.co.uk/careers, you can book yourself in for a consultation with one of our advisors who will take you through a 20-minute presentation of our practical work experience program. And you can choose to do that either virtually online, or you can come to our office for a face-to-face meeting. We like to do things fast. We are also friendly and professional in everything we do. You are in good hands with TDNA. This work experience has helped countless numbers of people over the years to get accounting jobs, and many of them are now working in accounting firms, in public practice, in investment banks, and several other companies in industry. Why not you too? It is time for you, I believe, to start reaping the benefits of all the hard work, time, and sweat you put into studying your accounting course and getting your qualification. This is your time to kickstart or further develop your accounting career. And we would love nothing more than to be part of your success journey. We look forward to seeing you and working with you to help you advance your accounting career. See you soon. Thanks for listening, and we hope to be able to work with you. Bye-bye for now. Take good care of yourself. Bye-bye.